Hey WordPress League, I'm going to throw back again with another tutorial of Ninja Forms. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a conditional form, an interesting conditional form with the conditional add-on of Ninja Forms. How much it will cost? It's a paid features of the Ninja Forms, and definitely it will cost you to get the conditional form. Just hover on there. You have to pay. I will share you how you can how much you have to pay for this conditional logic form. You have to pay the $49 for a single add-on in this conditional form. How we can create the I will show how it can be useful for you if you want to create a conditional form field or conditional form field for your users. So here is an example. I have tested the features before sharing the tutorial with you, because in my previous video I made some blunder, but this time I have prepared myself to create an interesting thing for you. So here is a registration form for an event registration form. So this is the field, and all the sections is which you have seen. So will you bring kids? Then in that case it's already I have selected no. So show to hide as some information. So if I select yes, then it will show me the how many kids I will bring. I will bring kids for 1, 2, 3 or 4. If I say, if someone selects no, then definitely it will hide. But for designing purpose, for an interactive purpose, I have said as a pre-default value as no, so that user will be surprised if someone said yes. Oh my gosh, I have to select these things. Okay, now the another interesting fact, if you want to add some food and beverage items, so you can say any food requirements. Then if someone is vegan or non-vegan, then if someone say the vegan, then the other features will appear. Then they say, are you looking for the gluten-free foods or not? Then if I have to select this one. So this is how interactive. You see, this is so much interactive form which I have created for an event registration, and it will get the address for as well, also a disclaimer of the event form. So this is it will get you can create a conditional form field like this. If someone select the none, then forms will be hidden. So these are some interesting features you can add in the conditional form. So I will show in this tutorial how I have created this conditional form field using the add-on of Ninja Forms and the basic features of the Ninja Form, along with the add-on of conditional logic add-on of the Ninja Form Pro. So let's hop on the tutorial and check. This is my Ninja Form backend. So I just want to go to dashboard to create a form. So previously I have shared how you can add the add-on. So if you buy the add-on from the site, so download the plugin and just from the add new section you have to upload it, and when you the add-ons is available here, you will get the active button is here. So button will be activated here, and it's a positive signal for you the add-on is working fine. So if the add-on is not available here, then you will get the default information, the docs and learn. One more interesting thing, if you find how to know, if you want to know how you can use it, then there is a built-in doc system or documentation service by the Ninja Forms. Just click on this and it will redirect to the landing page. You will get a simple tutorial. Also you will get some idea how else you can do with the conditional form field. Okay, let's moving on. Just I want to create a new form. So just I hit the button of the left side bar of the add new section, and I will definitely use the event registration form so that you make it the relevant thing for you. So I'm just importing the event registration form. So here is the event registration form already created. Let's see if what are available in the form actually. In this form I get these options. This is the HTML block they are using. So if you want to add or change some information, or you can add something to do it by yourself. So I'm skipping that part. Just hit the done button. The name, first name, last name, I will keep them, and the phone. In the in that section I have another options I have added. This is the how many friends will you bring. So if you want to add that, so you can add it, or if you don't want to add them, then definitely don't do that. But I want to add more thing here. The interesting thing is I like to add a section, a radius section like that. So if you want to just click here or replicate the button here to duplicate the section for the quick purpose, will you bring kids with you? Sorry, in that case I just select yes, no, and I will delete all the other extra fields. So if I select yes or no, by default I will love to select no. If I select the no here, the default value will be set as a no. Just click the done button. You can see the changes here. Will you bring kids with you? Okay, fine. Now I like to add some extra feature, extra options. So if someone select yes, then what will be the next? In that case, I will definitely add a checkbox here. Checkbox condition is how many kids will you bring? Just for checking purpose, 1, 2, 3, or I like to say no, the none button is not here. I like to say 1, 2, 3, 4. In case of a large family, that's it. Done. Now here comes another options. This is the food and beverage, food and any food requirements. So I am at a non-veg, and I just keep the copy the option and just remove it, and I hit the none. I have no food requirements, then definitely I want to select the hit the button, per default value set it as a none. Show you, it will, I will show you later in the, it will help you to create a interactive form field. If you don't want to do that, then definitely don't do that, but it will help you to create an interactive form field while I am using the conditional form. So I hit the done button. So now I have to add more section here, form field here. So which one I like to add? This is the form was gluten free or not. There is another option, those who are more health conscious, maybe they are looking for the gluten free foods. Those who are if it is yes, then yes, no, anything. So if you require, say I have no issue, so you can say it here. Okay, preferred drinking. If you want to create more lengthy things, so I don't want to add for purpose, I'm just preferred drinking is water and wine or soft drinks, soft drinks hard drinks. Okay, no preferences. I have just set it in done for my conditional purpose. So I just want to replicate the thing, and I just click here. It's a preferred drink copy. I just replicate one think is that work. Okay, fine. Okay, preferred things, preferred more. Select your favorite. It will help you to get the idea which type of people's select your favorite, select your beverage. Fab drink of cold, soft, favorite soft drink. In that case, Coke, 7-Up, Mirinda. No preferences. Anything could be done. Okay. I like to set it no preferences. Okay. I like to replicate the thing again and just duplicate it. Adjust at the same. Here is the hard drink. Then I like to share wine, beer, vodka, or anything. Hey kids, stay away from this video. This is not for you. This is for the adults only. Okay. I'm just here. I am also setting is the no preferences. So you will get the idea of what else you can see in the later on. And now they have using the divider section, and they are also using the HTML. So this is the form field, the address field they are using. So you can use it by using their address map or Google Map, or you can use it. Now the button, you can submit register, and the processing level, I want to add 3 more dot just for kidding. Okay. Just hit the publish button to check what the form is look like in the front end. See, I have all the fields are here. Just seems like messy. Now I like to add some color, or add some extra UI experience to this video. Okay, just hit the button. Now just jump on the section of advanced tab. You will get, when you will be activated the conditional logic add-on of the Nonja forms, then you will get the extra button here. This is the conditional logic. So in this section you have to be cool, make your mind cool, because it will be messed up if you miss anything. So I in that case I like to check the form fields, so it will help me to get the name of the form fields which I want to do on next or not. Okay, first of all, which fields come first? Will you bring kids with you? Okay, in that case, select. By default you will get one condition selected here. You have to select the form fields. Will you bring kids with you? Has selected no. In that case, how many kids will you bring? The form will be hide. That means I have set it now no, because I want to hide this section. Otherwise there is no option to hide this section here and without conditional logic. Okay, or you have to set another query. Will bring kids with you? Will you bring kids? Has selected yes, then okay. Oh, I made a mistake. In that case, selected yes. This is the show form field. This is the first one. Okay. And in case you have to add another condition here on the same logic. How many kids will you bring? Select has selected. Oh, no, this is will you bring, Hobbit. Sorry, it will be the will be has selected yes, it's selected no. Then the condition will be how many font aids will be high. Hide the field. Okay, done. Publish. Let's check, did I made any mistake or not, to get the preview here. See, the will you bring any kids with, maybe I made a mistake, I will fix it. If I select yes, the another field will be available here. If I select no, the field will be gone. So one step, I am done. Okay, now add another conditions. If you add any condition, the field will be here. Okay, this condition is for the food requirements, any food requirements. Okay, select any food requirements. Any food requirements has selected. Okay, vegan, gluten free or not, show the field. In that case, say all. Any food requirements are selected non-vegan, then show that. Okay, if the condition doesn't meet, I like to test another new thing which is not in my demo section. Gluten free will be high. Let's check does it work or not. Maybe that doesn't work, so I want to check it. Okay, yes, that works. Okay, fine, you don't have to add extra conditions. Okay, so what I have done in this form field conditional logic, I have added an extra logic here. If someone if this condition doesn't match, if this condition doesn't match, then the form field will be hide. When this condition will match, then the form field will be shown. When this condition doesn't match, then the form field will be hide. So in the previous case, I have added an extra field. So I want to say 8 here. How many kids will bring will be high. I want to remove the extra logic here, so make it perfect. Let's check. Yes, it works. So this is how easily you can manage it. Okay, now the part of the preferred drinks. So it's a very lengthy list, so I have to be more careful here. So I like to add new condition. Okay, preferred drinks. Maybe this is the right first field. Okay, preferred drinks. Okay, if someone has selected water, then I don't like to show any extra field. So if someone select any water, so why should I show the field? So I don't need to show preferred drink. Select your soft beverage. This one will be hide, and favorite drinks, this one will be hide. I hope that works. Let's check. You have to do it if I select this one, yes, that works. If I select water, then I don't want to show anything, so I will add the same preference here. From fields is not working, responding now. I press on, okay, fine. Here I have to add logic here as well, so otherwise it will not work properly. Okay, now or someone preferred drinks does not have selected water. I don't want to add preferred drinks. Show the field. Okay, I hope the Blender will be fixed. If someone add the water, don't add. Okay, the fields is not working perfectly. It hides. In that case, okay, I have to add more conditional logic here because all the form fields are hidden. Okay, I just want to add a new condition here. Okay, preferred drinks. If someone has selected soft drinks, then definitely I want to show soft drinks category, show the field. Okay, if someone select preferred drinks, select one is the hard drinks, then definitely I will show the favorite hard drinks, show the field. Now I'll not add any extra. I will add extra conditions because it's related to the same field, so I will add extra condition here. If someone preferred drinks, if someone has selected no preferences, I will share where is the preferred drinks. Soft drinks will be hide, and soft drink, hard drinks, okay, will be hide. Okay, let's move on. Publish the post, forms. Hit the preview button. Let's check. If someone water, no form fields will come up. If someone select the soft drinks, then I like to show the Coke, 7-Up, Mirinda, no preference, anyone. If someone select, oh, there is another condition I have to add. In that case, I have to add another conditions to the hard drinks part. What will be that? If someone selected in that case, I don't want to show the, if someone select the preferred drinks, hard drinks, so I don't want to show the soft drinks field. So in the case of hard drinks, form field, rings not, I don't want to show. Okay, I don't want to show. In that case, what logic will be the applicable? Here, see, it could be confusion as if you add more options, so you have to be more careful. In the case, I want to hide the hard rings, soft rings field. So, which condition I should apply? It will be a messed up. I should have to add these features here. So, condition will be soft rings. Let's check by adding or preferred rings as selected. No, I can show the to field here if condition is not made. Show fab. This is not the right way. No, this is not the right way. I have to add or select preferred rings does not have selected. Most probably I have to add a new conditions to play safe, like this is preferred rings. Someone has selected soft rings will hide hard rings hide. Okay, done. Publish. Have to check. Yes. Okay. No preference, water, anything. Okay. Finally, I made it. Same thing. I have to put it here. Okay. Another logic. The same way. Preferred rings has selected hard rings. Favorite soft rings will be hide. It will be hidden. Publish. Preview the form. Now check if I select hard rings. Soft ring field is hidden. If I select soft rings, only soft rings will be available here. If I select water, so don't know no soft rings and hard rings. If I select no preference, nothing happens. Oh my gosh. If I select vegan, so in this case I have to apply this form field as well. So this is how you can create a conditional form field with the help of the Ninja form. So I was a bit confused. So with the conditional logics, if you have so many conditions, it will be a messed up situation. You just saw in my video how I was puzzled. So what should I do? So this is the final outcome. And to design the form, I definitely share how you can create or design the form. You can set it public, or you can create the shortcode. But in Gutenberg there is a plenty of options, so you can create your own form field. Oh, I like to event registration form, form fields, rename, advanced display settings, event registration form. From here you can change the form name, new one. Perfect. Here is the change. Hit the publish button. Okay, add new sections. Event form by Ninja Form, the ultimate Ninja Form. Ninja Forms event registration form. Event registration. Okay. My favorite pattern is the header section. Just click the button here, and I will definitely remove this block. I will definitely, before removing this block, I would like to add before insert a section, and I will remove this block too. And from here I would like to add a block. Click the hit button, say search for the Ninja form, and select. Okay, the form is not here. The new one. Okay, I made registration. Okay, just from change the color of the form. If you like to do that, definitely you can do that from here. It's very easy in the Gutenberg, so you can do it. Or you can add a media from the media library. Oh, I don't have any media from now, so you can add it by your own. Okay, hit the publish button. This is how easily you can create a form field for your event registration form. Okay, let's check. This color is so confusing, so I like to change the color as well. My favorite color, it could be, it's relevant to the Ninja form, so okay, I would like to add this. Okay, let's check. See, this is how it looks like. So let's fill the form. I like to use that. Okay, how many friends do you like to add? I have one friend. Do you have bring any kids? Yes, I don't have any kids. I am bachelor. I'm not married, but for this purpose, I like to use this. This is how many kids? I like to bring more, four kids. And then you were a vegan, or I'm not non-vegan, non-veg, but I like to food the gluten-free, or you can choose any of them. Oh, my bad. You don't have to. You have to choose the multiple checkout, not as the radio box. So be careful in that case. I use the checkout box, so this is not the right thing. You have to use the radio box. And preferred drinks, I like to go with the water. No, I like to go to soft drinks, and I like go for the Coca-Cola or 7-Up, Mirinda. I forget to add the Sprite, so it's not adding purpose. Just I have selected them. You get the idea. Okay, I hit the submit register button. Processing. I added 3 dots. Do you remember? Thank you for registering for our event. Okay, let's check from the back end. In the form section of the Ninja form submissions, let's select the form, the event registration from the new one. Here it the form information you get here, and all the rest of the information will be available in your admin email. So my dear friend, this is all about for the event registration form, conditional event registration form of the Ninja forms. You can create this kind of amazing forms. So in conditional use cases, there's a tip, so you have to keep your mind cool, otherwise you will be messed up the things, and you have to think twice, thrice, and several times, and do back and forth to make it fruitful, and which one you are looking for, then in case you want to choose the right one. So this is all about for the event registration form by the Ninja forms. I'm using the default form, but I have added some extra form fields and also add some conditions to the form. So this is the conditional form fields. That's all about for the conditional form fields of the Ninja form. This is the extra paid add-on, and how much it will cost I will share with you. It will cost you 49 bucks, and if you want for extra privilege or discount, you have to wait for the 28th June to get anniversary sale. They're running a 80% discount on the conditional logic on any form, on any membership plans or anything I have shared in my previous video, and I'll definitely share the links in my description so that you can go there and choose your plan for which one is best for you. So this is the tutorial video for the conditional logic, how you can use the conditional logic add-on of the Ninja forms to make interactive form fields form for your users or for your events or for anything. So if you find this useful, definitely give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel to inspire me, and also share with your friends, those who are looking for this type of tutorial or those who are looking for a conditional form fields. So definitely you can use it. See you in the next video. In the next video I'll show the interesting features of the Ninja form add-on. This is the layout and the style of Ninja form. I will show this tutorial in the next video, so how you can style your Ninja forms by default with your styling features of the Ninja form. So that's all about for today, my dear friend. Stay connected. See you in the next video. So if you want to learn the styling option of the Ninja form, definitely you have to watch the video. In the next video I'll show you how you can use that features of the Ninja form. This is another add-on. I have the add-on, I will show you. This is the most interesting add-on as well. Tada, bye bye, see you in the next video. Ninja.